Hello Year 4! Today is Thursday the 23rd of April, so it's day 4 of our poetry lessons. Today it's day 2 of our writing session, so hopefully you've got your writing brains in gear and you're ready to finish off your poems. Now, before you carry on writing, I just want to take a few minutes to remind you of my top tips for writing your poem. So, top tip number 1. Make sure your poem has an overall theme that you're sticking to throughout, and also make sure that each stanza has a theme as well. So decide before you write what your stanza is going to be about. Please also make sure that you are sticking to the rules that we talked about on Monday, which are having really positive poems and also not mentioning anyone's names. Top tip number 2. Make sure that you're trying to include lots of lovely figurative language, so this includes alliteration, onomatopoeia and similes. Tip number 3, try to make sure that your poem flows really well by making sure all the lines are similar in length and all the stanzas are similar in length as well. Tip number 4, try to include some rhymes at the end of some of your lines, and in order to do this you need to choose some words that are easy to rhyme with, which includes some common sounds. So hopefully you started writing your poem yesterday. You've got the whole of today to finish off writing. You can take your time with it, you can go back, you can change any bits that you want, and you can choose to edit your poem as you want. You can do it at the time if you notice something doesn't quite flow very well, or you can decide to write your whole poem first and edit at the end. My last piece of advice is just to have some fun with it. Keep playing around with it until you are happy. Have fun, try and spend about 20 or 30 minutes a day finishing off your poem. If you need to spend a little bit longer doing that, that is okay.